All right, when you're done with that, you're just going to center them properly, like so. And now we've got 4 elevators here. But remember that I told you not to worry about if you got things sticking inside like this. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on the main space elevator, and we're going to press the ungroup button. And it's going to ungroup the first thing we grouped. So press it again. And there you go. Now everything's ungrouped. Now if we group it again, if we highlight everything and we group it again, you should notice when it groups, there you go. You should notice now it's taken out the stuff on the inside because that big initial 190 millimeter box cube has now recut. And we also have 4 windows, except for you'll notice here, window 1, window 2, window 3 look good, but window 4 here I didn't cut in deep enough. Easy enough. We're going to ungroup. We're going to focus on this window here. So unclick off everything, click back on this one, and all we're going to do is we're going to push it in a little bit more. And then when I group everything, again, you should notice it's been pushed in hard enough that you can now see through that as well. And there we go. We have our initial shape of our space elevator. I'm not too worried about the roof, and I don't want you to be worried about the roof, because remember, we still have to put seats and stuff on the inside. And that's going to be super easy. We're actually going to cheat with that one. We're going to go down from basic shapes, and we're going to search through these until we find one that has chairs. Like this making it home one, that seems really interesting. Let's look at that one. And we have popsicle sticks and toothpaste and all kinds of goodies here, but none of which I'm looking for. And so we can look through other things. We can look through generated shapes. And we have states and all kinds of fun stuff we could have put on our box. So you'll just look through these and you'll find what you think would look good inside your ship. I personally don't think that's, states and stuff would look good in here. However, under OMSI Hangout Space, you'll notice they have a host of chairs here. They have stools, they have tables, they even have house plants. They've got a little water feature. So you're just going to click and you're going to drag stuff down to make it look how you want it to look. So for me, I like the thought of having a seat in here. I want along this wall, so I'm just going to drop it. I'm going to zoom in a little bit. I'm going to focus on that one object and zoom out so I can kind of see what's going on. And then I'm just going to rotate it 180 degrees so it sits where I want it to sit. Now, this is a shockingly small seat for the size of my elevator, which is fine. If you want it to be like this, it means that you're going to have a huge elevator, or you can make just this bigger. So right now it is actually not going to let us change the size. Okay, so we'll just have a shocking large elevator, I guess. So we're going to add that one. We have a middle seat, which again shows up inverted. So we're just going to move it around. I'm going to put this where I want it, which is right there, kind of touching it. I'm going to Control D to duplicate it. Which didn't work. So Control D, or Control C and Control V to copy and paste, whatever works for you guys at the moment. And we're just going to add it like that. Now, I want lots of seats. So I'm going to click the first seat and click Shift and click the second seat. And now I've got 2. And if I Control C and Control V again, now you'll notice I have 4. And I'm just kind of repeating this process here. Getting it lined up nicely. And now I'm pressing Shift and I'm clicking the other 2 seats. And now I've got 4 seats. And if I Control and copy paste that, now I've got 8 seats. And basically I'm going to go through and I'm going to furnish my space elevator. So hopefully you guys will do that. And then today you will send me a screenshot of the progress you've made so that we know where you are. Okay? Have a good day.